Hey, I want to welcome you in. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I want to encourage you to participate in this live. Today, we're going to talk about the driving skills report card. And when you join my live, and if you decide to heart me and follow me, I'm going to do a dance for you. So let's go ahead and get it. It is recommended that you, as an adult or teen, complete at least 6 hours of driving. Behind the wheel instruction has acquired the knowledge and skill and aptitude to operate a motor vehicle on the highway or accompanied by a 21-year-old. Hey guys, I want to welcome you in. I want to say hello to all of you. The next step for you would be to visit the Secretary of State and apply for your level 1 license. It is important that you bring your parent or guardian with you and have at least 50 hours of driving. That's a minimum. You need to have more driving than that. Now, you need to join my live. When you join my live and click the heart, I'll do a dance for you. I want to say hello to all of you. While many may drive safe, it has been taught that there is not sufficient time for a student to become an accomplished driver. What does this mean? You need to practice as much as you can. You need to ask your mom and dad, hey, can I go out? Can I drive with you? Can I drop you off to work? So it's really important that you do that. In Ohio, in Michigan, in Texas, in Virginia, you need to put in good work. You need to prepare yourself for driving. And it's extremely important that you do that. Let's go ahead and get into the grading system of the driving skills report card. If you have questions, put those in. First, you want to go for an S. An S is satisfactory. This means you have performed the skills without verbal assistance or guidance from the instructor. That's where you want to be. Hey, Grace, how are you? Next, let's continue. NI needs improvement. Student performs skills with minimal instruction and some guidance from the instructor. I want to say hello to all of you. Next, did not perform the skill during the behind the wheel. This could be parking. This could be merging on a freeway. This could be going through a roundabout. I want to say hello, Kitty. How are you?
And his name is John C.
Love that. I want to thank you all. I want you to keep coming in, bring in good energy. Click that like, click that heart. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, Kitty. Let's hit you up.
Emotional damage.
Thank you, Kitty, for supporting me. I do appreciate you. Let's keep this thing going. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate you. Let's get it going. Open up. Open up. Hey, thank you for the hearts. Let's bring this energy in. Next, let's talk about drive 1, low speed driving, light traffic, parking, and residential. Pre-entry, you're gonna come in, adjust your seat, adjust your mirrors, lock your door. You wanna make sure you know how to start the vehicle. Either you have a push to start, hey, how are you doing? Let's hit you up.
And his name is John C.
If you failed, it's because you didn't have me as an instructor. If you failed, it's because you didn't look at my videos. If you want to pass your test, you need to look at my videos. I don't promise anything, but hold on. What? Goodbye. All right, let's keep it going. What is going on, guys? So when you learn how to drive, you're gonna prepare yourself, you're gonna get yourself to learn how to drive. I'm 16. I have my license, motorcycle permit. You need to be a little bit older before you get your motorcycle permit. You need to be prepared for what you may face and what you may see. It's really important that you're out there safe driving, being safe. A motorcycle is fun. A crotch rocket is fun, but you gotta be safe. You gotta make sure you have your helmet on. You gotta make sure you have your leather on. And hey, thank you for the glitter, H. Let's hit you up. Ooh. So we want to make sure all of you are safe. Click that heart, click that like. When you click the heart, I'm automatically going to follow you. You're automatically going to follow me. Every time I post a video, it's going to come straight to you. I'm in the Midwest. Click the link. Let's keep going. Next, Operate the steering wheel with push, pull, or hand over hand. This is push, pull. This is hand over hand. It depends on where you are in the state, where you are in the country, where you are in the world. Let's get it.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter. Let's keep it going. Now, let's talk about the approach lane. You got to slow down. You got to take your time. You got to make sure you feel safe in the vehicle. And if you feel safe in the vehicle, hey, it was the computer test fail. Well, you didn't look at my study guide, okay? You didn't prepare. Okay, in California, I'm asking, so you want to study. You have to study for courses and examinations. I have guides to help you. Click that like, click that heart. Let's keep it going. I'm in Florida, so the requirements may be different. That's correct. Every state has different requirements. You need to contact the state DMV in Florida, Michigan, Texas, Alaska, Nebraska, Atlanta, Georgia, or Ohio. Swag like Ohio. And Shedeur Sanders is with the Cleveland Browns right now. So it's really important that you support your state, you support your country. Let's keep it going. Now, what I need you to do is establish rear bumper reference. Hey, B, how are you doing? That was so hyped. Thank you for the follow. Let's keep it going. What happens if you keep failing behind the wheel? Well, you got to practice. You are doing something wrong. It could be speed control. It could be lane positioning. You need to look at my videos. You need to be following me. You need to join my group. Click that heart. That will link you to me. Why follow me? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults. I teach teens. I've been on the platform for over 4 years.